Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix your game requires restart to play. So let's try to fix this. Close the Valorant, exit out of the Riot Games client, press Windows key and R to open the run, then type in this services.msc and it will open a new window. Here hold V key till you find VGC. Once you find VGC, go properties, startup type, go automatic, and click start. It will do the loading thingy. Click apply, and then OK. Once you've done that, check your task manager, go to startup, and check if your Vanguard is like enabled for startup. If it's disabled, click enabled, and then once again restart your PC and it should work. Okay, I'll do the restart and see if it works. Okay, so I restarted the PC. Let's load up the game, see if it works properly. Wait for the update. Click play. Okay, click play. Should be working. And boom, it works. It opens. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Hopefully this helps.